Imagine a school where students don't just read about artificial intelligence, they create it. To understand AI, students need to use it in real life, learn basic concepts, and understand its opportunities and threats. How can this be achieved? Computer vision is key. With our apps and a phone camera, the Fable robot recognizes objects in real time. And AI blocks make it possible to program a range of responses. Students develop not only technical and digital competencies, but also environmental and social ones. They practice critical thinking, collaboration, and creativity, working in teams on projects that address today's real-world challenges. The Fable AI Kit meets the needs of modern schools. It supports the implementation of modern curricula, connects multiple subjects, and enables learning by doing, preparing students for the challenges ahead.